Hi guys, this time to understand the map in the Power BI. So let's open some topic today, map visual. Basically, there are several map in the Power BI. There's a simple map, field map, shape map, Azure map. So as per the requirement, you can use the map. If your map is not available, you can connect with your IT team to enable it because you need to enable it before using that. So let's jump on the Power BI and do the practical and understand the map thing. So I'll open the Power BI, go to the map one because this map report, I will make some map on this. So simply we need to add the map on this, go there in the visual, or simply we can take the map from here, right? Let little zoom so that we can now understand it properly. So in the map, let's take the location as a country, right? When you click on the country, that would be go like this. And the bubble size, let's take total order. So that is the your map. Now let's do some formatting on this. Select your map and go there in the map setting part in the formatting basically. And let's go the style. Let's map setting style. So style, what style you want? Like you want this one, or you want some dark one, or you want some light, or whatever you want to give, you can give the this one also and road if you want. Let's suppose I want dark like this. Okay, so show labels would be the on. Let's do some more formatting. The control, in the control parts, let's take the zero zoom on, right? And this one I'll on it, right? And some formatting, more formatting on this. Bubbles size would be, let's take auto size would be 0, right? And some more formatting. Let's close it. Let's take the category on and take the 10, I think. Let's take the 10 and the color would be the same. Background color, let's take the background color of the 50%, that's fine. And let's on this. Some more formatting. We'll go to the some visual part and select here, maybe on the property, go to the tooltip. In the tooltips, go to the types one. Let's take the default, right? And the text one also, let's do the text one also. And in this, let's label color might be 0. Let's do the white this time. Value color, let's take the color on hash 20 e2d7. this color. Yep, I'm using this color. All right, this one. And drill color, Nikon, and let's say the white. White's not changed. Fine. Now take the background color. Background color, let's take this one. Yeah, that's fine. And transparency would be the 10%, right? And let's take some more formatting. Visual part would be, let's take title of this, right? So basically this kind of formatting we can do. Now if we check it, select here, so it would be little more formatting. So let's do one thing on the coming video. uh, let's complete some more topic on the slicer part also. So we add some more slice on this, so it will be more interactive dashboard. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.